Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the amount of light or how to set the light on your picture on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home button down below on the left side corner and tap on photo editor. Select the picture you want to edit and tap on it. Then click on the adjustments button down below, which is the second option. Now you should wait a few seconds. Here you have the light option in the middle of the screen below the this slide, and then click on the exposure option so that you can use the slide to set the exposure. You can set the contrast. Within the same section you can also set the highlight. You can control shadow, the whites and blacks can be set, and these are the features that the light includes, so you can increase and decrease the amount of light on your picture. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.